Good evening, it's January 4th, 2022. Market Headlines is ready to provide you information from business and economy. And with me, Kezia Tuju, you're watching Market Headlines. Let's start Market Headlines. Expenditure for energy subsidies and compensation throughout 2022 have soared beyond the previously budgeted ceiling. The Minister of Finance noted that the total burden of energy subsidies for 2022 reached 551.2 trillion rupiah.
The Minister of Finance recorded the energy subsidy exceeded budget ceiling at the end of 2022. From the budget ceiling of 502 trillion rupiah, the realization of energy subsidy and compensation payments to Pertamina and the State Electricity Company jumped to 551.2 trillion rupiah. This figure recorded an increase of 8.93% from the budget ceiling that was set. In a press conference for the 2022 state budget, Minister of Finance Sri Mulyani Indrawati explained that the increase in the paid budget was due to increase in fuel subsidies and compensation, which was influenced by the increase in the volume of subsidized fuel consumption and rupiah exchange rate factor. In the 2022 state budget, oil prices were set at $63 per barrel, but after calculating the Indonesian crude price, it was realized at $97 per barrel, or much higher than the 2022 state budget target. So that in the 2022 state budget, initially the budget for energy subsidies and compensation was only 152 trillion rupiah. However, responding to the global dynamics, the government increased the budget to 502 trillion rupiah, which was still less than the realization at the end of the year.
Lebih dari 3 kali lipat. Dari 152 kita tambahkan alokasi ke 502,4 dan pada akhir tahun ini kita melihat realisasinya bahkan lebih tinggi lagi yaitu 551,2. Terutama kalau kita lihat komponennya untuk BBM dalam hal ini subsidi energinya naik dari 134 ke 208 tapi realisasinya hanya 171. Tapi untuk listrik juga relatif masih sama dari APBN yang awal. Yang paling besar adalah pada kompensasi.
Sri Mulyani added that provisional figures for the realization of energy subsidies and compensation were calculated using the assumption that average ICP was $97 per barrel, assuming the rupiah exchange rate is 40,871 rupiahs per dollar. Meanwhile, from the realization of 551.2 trillion, the volume of subsidies and compensation distributed by the government was recorded at 16.5 million kiloliters. Jakarta, Raharjo Patmo for IDX Channel.